In this video, you'll learn how to change the MultiCrop 200 attachment on the EVO 280 MC. To change the attachment, it's important that the operating mode selector switch is released. The green button will remain steadily lit. You start by raising the lift axle of the EVO. This reduces wear on the wheel and protects the machine. To raise the lift axle, start on the user side at the control terminal. From there, go to the chassis level. On this level, select the lift axle. Now arrows will appear on the right side of the screen. To raise the lift axle, hold down the up arrow until the lift axle has fully reached its upper end position. Next, carefully swing the drawbar all the way to the right side. Now, make sure to align the tractor and harvester perfectly straight with each other. Then, at the control terminal, switch from the user side to the intake level. There you will find the symbol for changing the intake at the top center. Press and hold this symbol for about 3 seconds. Once that step has been finished, an automatic process will start, which will move the MultiCrop intake into the change position. The program will be fully completed when the symbol is no longer being highlighted in red. Now go to the intake of the machine. Disconnect all electrical connections as well as the hydraulic lines between the MultiCrop 200 and the machine. Then carefully unlock the intake, move the locking mechanism to the upper position, and firmly secure it there, so that the claw remains open and cannot close again. The machine will automatically detect the fact that the intake is being removed. Now you can control the height of the machine's intake using the specific icons and symbols on the control terminal and lower the intake. Once the intake is firmly resting down on the ground, carefully reverse the machine. This completes the separation of the MultiCrop 200 from the machine. After that, drive up to the new MultiCrop 200 and insert the suspension point of the machine into the mounting points of the MultiCrop 200. Use the corresponding buttons on the control terminal for this. Once the MultiCrop 200 has been completely and securely mounted, carefully step down from the tractor and securely lock the intake onto the machine once again. To do this, move the locking mechanism of the intake into the lower position and secure it. Next, connect all hydraulic lines and electrical connectors. Then get back onto the tractor. The machine automatically detects that a MultiCrop intake is attached. Now, go to the control terminal. First, you will start on the main home screen. From there, open the miscellaneous level and then navigate over to the Intake tab. Once you are here, carefully select the appropriate MultiCrop 200 model that matches the correct serial number and then simply confirm your selection to proceed. You can find the serial number on the right side of the MultiCrop 200. Now the MultiCrop 200 has been correctly changed and the machine is ready for use again. Good luck with your season!